Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. They have a matching bracelet. It is here, I'm putting on already. You can see this is how it is. Then here I have the earrings. So today I'm going to show you how to make the earrings, then I'll be showing you how to make this bracelet also. It has a button here so you can remove it. So this is the bracelet and the earrings. So let's get into the video. Guys, I'm going to make a slip knot like so, or if you like you can just insert your hook direct. You pull this one, you hold it from here, this one, and you go through this. So you go back again like this, you go under, you pull up a loop, you have to go through to insert the hook under the earring, you pull up a loop and you finish with the slip stitch. You go inside, you pull up a loop and you finish, go under, pull up a loop, go through all of them. So guys, I'm going to continue with this pattern until I finish covering the whole ring like this. Continue like this. So guys, I'm coming to the end of this. You can see just remaining with a few stitches, and I cover this one, continue and cover this. Keep on pushing the thread backward so that it becomes tight like this. Keep on pushing it and you cover everything. You don't want our customer to see that we have used this ring. So I finish with a slip stitch here on top like this. Then I chain 3, and I turn my work. So I'm going to be putting this now. We are done with this first row. Now we are going to put this. So after turning, I'll be putting 3 double crochet in one stitch, 3 in the same space. So 3 double crochet in the same space. That's the first one, then the second, this one, that's the first, second, and the third in the same space. And I'm going to continue, and I do halfway like this. You insert your hook and do double crochet, 3 double crochet in the same space, this. The next chain I put 3 double crochet, the next stitch, the next stitch I put 3 double crochet, so guys, let us continue like this, and I'll meet you when I reach halfway, show you what next. So guys, I'm coming towards the end, and this is the last stitch, and let me put the 3 double crochets. So you have 1, 2, and this is the last one. is the last one, and I'm done with this row, you can see. And I'm going to cut this, then I finish like this. So I'm going to hide this. You take it back, like this. Then I cut. So I'm going to put this design now, this one, and I'll be using this brown yarn to do that. So for this design, I'll be putting a single crochet on top of every stitch. Single crochet on top of every stitch, like this. So guys, like this video. If you're someone who like crochet, this is really your channel. So this is what I have after putting the single crochet on top. Every stitch I'm going to continue and I put single crochet. Like this all the way up to the end, and I'll meet you to show you what next. So guys, I'm almost finishing. We are coming to the end of this. So what we have, and this is the last stitch, and we'll finish this one. So I cut the yarn, cut this one, and this is the final look of our earring. See, so you can hide this also. Start the hook and pull it, going back. This, and I cut it. So we are going to put this. So you open it with a plier like this, then you look for the middle part, which is this, and you insert it there, like so. Then you put this one and you close. Guys, you're done. We are done. Thank you for watching up to the end of this video. So I'll be uploading the video showing you how to make. So this is what we have done. We have done this one. So I'll be uploading the video showing you how to make this bracelet. So like this video and share this video with your friends so that you help my channel to grow. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.